LearningExpress Library is a valuable tool for almost anyone making an investment in their professional future. In this video, I will demonstrate how LearningExpress can help you with the next phase of your education or career. The primary function of LearningExpress is test prep. With the sheer number of standardized tests required for the modern educational system in many professions, this is a very useful function. Before going any further, let's go to LearningExpress Library site. Go to e-resources, online tutoring, LearningExpress. Then you search for the test you're planning to take. ASVAB for military service, ACT or SAT for college, GRE for graduate school, TOEFL or for ESL students, Praxis for teachers, plumbers licensing, NCLEX for nursing students, and so on. I'll search GED so we can look at exactly what kind of test prep materials are provided. Note the categories listed under the search box. The number in parentheses indicates how many of that type of resource is available. You can narrow down to just the kind of materials you want by checking and unchecking boxes. If I wanted to start preparing for the GED by getting an overview of how it works, I'd start with the tutorials, so I'll uncheck all the other boxes. Now I'll start with the introduction to the test, but wait a second, I have to log in or register to access it. Registering is very simple and won't take but a minute. Click on the Sign In or Register button. If you've used this service before, log in. If you're new, click Register. Then fill out name, email, and password. I've actually already got an account, so I'll skip this part and go back to the login screen. I'll go back to that tutorial I want to look at and click Start Tutorial. Now I can read through the tutorial material. Click Save and Finish Later to stop and come back to it. Your progress will be saved in your account so you can start back where you left off. You can also take practice tests in LearningExpress. I'll try taking a science practice test. This page will have information about how to take the test. Be sure to read through it. The instructions are slightly different depending on which standardized test you're taking. You will also have some options on the right side of the page about how you want to take the test. You can do it just like a real one, untimed for practice, or if you want to be told if you have the right answer, question by question. I'll take this in simulation mode, as if I were taking a real GED. This is a great option for checking if you're ready to take the real exam or not before paying any expensive registration fees. I'll drag and drop a couple answers to this first question per the instructions on the previous page. I'll save and close for right now, but I will be able to come back to this test later. If you go to your name and select My Center, you can see all the tests, tutorials, and practice you have completed or are working on. This is how you get back to things you're in the middle of or review scores for tests you've finished. As you can see, LearningExpress is a great resource for those getting ready to take some kind of standardized test. It also offers excellent information to those looking to make a career change. Need a resume but have no idea where to start? Search resume and there's a tutorial about how to write a great one. Same thing for cover letters. What about the job interview? They have you covered there too. If you need help with some other aspect of finding a career, click on Career Prep on the home screen, then browse through the choices to find what you need help with. Maybe you're thinking you need a change of career. The Career Changer's Manual may have just the information you need for success. And for those who just want to improve their general skills without a specific career or educational goal in mind, check out the Adult Core Skills section. In this section, you'll find materials to help with the basics. Everyone can benefit from a good grasp of math, reading, and grammar. You will also find information about applying for citizenship or a green card in this section. The information in this section isn't legal advice, but it does give you an overview of how the process works. Whatever your educational or professional goals may be, LearningExpress Library likely has a section that can help. If you have any follow-up questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more information on how best to use library resources. And as always, thank you for watching.